Too fast to live, too young to die. Studying this book is a fun way to learn to grab attention and communicate with energy, fearless audacity, and at times irreverence from the agent provocateurs of punk and their co-conspirator artists and graphic designers by exploring the visual language of punk rock and graphic design. Punk rock used to poke a lot of fun at the mainstream conventions, especially consumerism, and the Sex Pistols were no different. Case in point, using something conventional like American Express, they did not like this at all. They threatened to sue Virgin Records. Very attention-getting typography as well as colors. Lots of simplistic graphic elements. Here we have a photograph meshing various elements from the real world together into an outstanding design. No Photoshop here. Bright colors, excellent art, all these lightning bolts focusing in on this one point. Signal for the Buzzcocks, what do I get? Liking this big old question mark. We got black, white, and green. Very simplistic, very iconic. Here we have Buzzcocks, different kind of tension. It's a poster, LP, and other elements. Notice you have the brand here, their logo, but the LP itself had its own brand contained therein, with these geometric shapes, especially this triangle. Very well done. So new wave music is definitely post-punk, and they are related. So I thought it was kind of clever when they had God Save the City for new wave in Chicago. Liking the Circle Jerks DIY style with their classic, I guess you could say, mascot or icon. Bright colors. Very simple poster for the Screamers. Liking this illustration here. True Sounds of Liberty, borrowing from Clockwork Orange artistry. Here we have a poster from the Cramps. You notice their logo has a lot of activity in it. And here there's motion. It draws you in. Very fun. Poster here for Beware by Crass. This is during the time period of no nukes, where that was a big thing. Noticed iconography. Nuclear power plant, the bomb, an explosion. Inside of the Mickey Mouse head. Just very, very thought-provoking. Very interesting and very simple. Killing Joke was more or less post-punk, but check this out. You got this motion here, pointing all the way up to the title. Very interesting. The art and design used for Killing Joke was always very thought-provoking, very striking. Interesting patterns for OMD. Very simplistic and memorable. Public Image Limited. This is a poster for the album release. If you notice, the logo is very unique. You can view it from anywhere. It's instantly recognizable at any size, any distance. So, Too Fast to Live, Too Young to Die is a fantastic anthology of punk rock design and post-punk design.